Welcome to our full guide on tackling withdrawal issues with PrizePicks in 2025. If you're encountering problems withdrawing your funds, you're in the right place. Let's dive into some common issues that may cause your withdrawal to fail, including account verification, insufficient funds, and payment method discrepancies. To ensure everything is in order, follow these steps to check your account status and ensure all details are correctly filled. Understanding the payment methods available can help you avoid mistakes. PrizePicks supports various options such as credit cards, PayPal, and more. If you're facing issues based on your payment method, let's troubleshoot the differences between bank transfers and e-wallet transactions. If you're still having trouble, don't hesitate to reach out to PrizePicks support. Here are the available contact methods. To avoid future withdrawal problems, consider these essential tips. Keep your account information updated, verify your payment method, and monitor your funds. Let's address some frequently asked questions regarding PrizePicks withdrawal so you have all the information you need. To recap, always check your account status, understand payment methods, and contact support when needed. Your next steps are now clear. Thank you for watching. Remember, withdrawal issues can be resolved, and the fun doesn't have to stop. Keep playing and enjoy your games.